Welcome to my community partner assignment. I am Lauren Smalls, and today you will hear all about my community partnership. For this assignment, I have chosen to partner with the City of Charleston Police Department. Their headquarters is conveniently located on the downtown peninsula, which is not too far from my current school. For this interview, my contact was Miss Laquilla Simmons. She is currently the Community Outreach Coordinator for the Police Department. She expressed to me that they have many events that they coordinate with the public library currently, but would like to reach out more to school libraries in the area. The City of Charleston Police Department's mission. The mission of the City of Charleston Police Department is to serve all people within our jurisdiction with respect, fairness, and compassion, in addition to adhering to our core values: honor, excellence, accountability, respect, and teamwork. The police department partners with many community organizations on a daily basis. These are just some of the major community events that they sponsor. The City of Charleston sponsors these 3 major programs every year, and they're designed to build relationships with the community, to educate those around us, and increase the public's understanding of the policies and practices of the police department. The first program is called Camp Hope. Camp Hope is a 6-week program designed to bridge the gap between law enforcement and community organizations. It offers an opportunity for underserved children to learn accountability, life skills, physical fitness, and so much more. The second is Citizens Academy. This academy is 1 night per week for 10 weeks. The participants have an opportunity to get first-hand look at local law enforcement as well as the daily operations of the police department. The third program is called National Night Out. It is actually a worldwide initiative that the police department takes part in. This event focuses on community policing to help make communities safer. It's a fun-filled day of family activities that bring together the police, neighbors, community organizations, all under positive circumstances and environments. Other than those top 3 big community events, the police department partners daily with different organizations, and these are some other ways that they are active in the community. So they offer an advocacy day, Cops on the Coop, mini children bike giveaways through schools, ride-alongs. Recently, the resource officers have been offering virtual read-alouds during COVID-19, and also birthday parades for children during COVID-19. When I spoke to Ms. Simmons about resources, services, and materials offered to libraries, she spoke about many of the events that they currently host at public libraries that could possibly carry over to school libraries. So some of the things that we discussed were Ask a Cop Anything with students. So a cop would come in to the library and the students would have an opportunity to ask them questions in a variety of topics. We also discussed Coffee with a Cop for parents and community members. This way, parents would have an opportunity to learn more about officers and law enforcement in general. We also discussed a vehicle day for children. So the police department would bring as many vehicles as they could so that the children could learn about them and become more aware. We would incorporate different types of books about vehicles for the children. We also discussed read-alouds and book talks that could be offered by the cops, and story time with a cop for younger children. How can the school library support the City of Charleston Police Department? When speaking to Ms. Simmons, She expressed that they love to build a stronger partnership with the library so that they can host smaller community events. So some of the things that we discussed were inviting the police department to school-wide events so that they could come and set up a table, give out brochures to community members and parents, helping them gain access to parents and the community to educate and raise awareness about law enforcement, also helping them advertise their police community events, if that's announcements or flyers or brochures that are given out to the students. And then we also discuss the school librarian connecting the police officers with teachers to support lessons. So for example, maybe connecting police officers to science and STEM teachers so that they could help support lessons on forensics or fingerprinting lessons or anything that the teachers kind of needed extra support with. During this interview with Ms. Simmons, I kind of already knew that the police department does a lot for the community, but this interview really showed me all the different organizations that they partner with that I could possibly partner with as a school librarian. My main takeaway from the information Ms. Simmons provided was that the police department would like to do everything possible to be more visible and to support schools more, and they would like help with building relationships with the community, which I think is an awesome idea and a great way for them to raise awareness for law enforcement. So overall, I thought this was a great interview. I learned lots of information that I didn't already know, and I feel like I started a conversation with Ms. Simmons that we could further develop.